fried rice with my mom and my popo. Growing up, this was one of my favorite breakfasts that my mom made, and whenever we have leftover rice, we have to make this.
Are we using sausage? Whose is it?
The ingredients that we're using today are rice, Portuguese sausage, eggs, oyster sauce, and of course, Aloha Shoyu, and my mom loves to do this little dance while using it.
Something that my mom doesn't do that I like to do is crunch up the rice, otherwise it becomes really clumpy. How do you do?
I might do it with a glove.
Oh.
So I don't get my hands all dirty.
Okay. Oh! We're using your Portuguese sausage.
I noticed. I was waiting to eat it.
Oh.
In fried rice.
Oh, good.
Portuguese sausage is my favorite meat to put inside of fried rice, and my mom has this whole cubing situation down to a science.
No onions for you?
No.
Carly only likes Portuguese sausage, rice, and eggs. That's it. Okay.
The next step's happen pretty fast, so we're sauteing garlic, adding the oyster sauce, and we're using low sodium Aloha Shoyu because my popo wants to eat it too. My mom learned this technique from her popo where you make a circle with the rice and then you add your egg in the middle so that it's easier to scramble and then also easier when you want to mix it all together.
Gotta get every last piece.
Because we're Chinese. Lastly, we add in the Portuguese sausage and then we just stir to combine.
Look how pretty.
The whole process only took us less than 30 minutes and now I get to enjoy the fruits of their labor.
Thanks, guys.